Are you ready to dive into the captivating world of horological craftsmanship? Join us on a mesmerizing journey as we unlock the secrets behind the creation of one of the most renowned luxury watch brands in history. In our exclusive video, The Art of Time, exploring the mastery of Patek Philippe, we'll unveil the meticulous process behind crafting these horological masterpieces. From intricate movements to exquisite design, prepare to be enchanted by the unrivaled artistry and timeless elegance that define Patek Philippe. Get ready to witness the fusion of tradition, innovation, and sheer dedication that has elevated Patek Philippe to a league of its own. Buckle up as we embark on an unforgettable exploration of the exceptional world of Patek Philippe. This is a journey you won't want to miss. Patek Philippe boasts a legacy that spans over 180 years, firmly establishing itself as a paragon of excellence in the world of luxury watchmaking. From its humble beginnings in 1839, founded by Antoine Norbert de Patek and François Sapec, the brand has consistently pushed the boundaries of horological craftsmanship. However, it was the collaboration with Jean-Adrien Philippe that set Patek Philippe on its path to greatness. Philippe's technical brilliance and innovative spirit paved the way for the formation of Patek Philippe and Company, forever shaping the brand's destiny. Patek Philippe quickly garnered acclaim for its unparalleled commitment to precision and artistry. Its watches became renowned for their exceptional craftsmanship and timeless elegance, attracting the attention of distinguished individuals worldwide. Through the years, Patek Philippe has reached numerous milestones and achieved remarkable feats, from crafting the first Swiss wristwatch in 1868 to pioneering groundbreaking complications such as the perpetual calendar, chronograph, and minute repeater. The brand has consistently pushed the boundaries of what is possible in watchmaking. The Stern family's acquisition of Patek Philippe in 1932 marked a new era for the brand. Under the Stern family's stewardship, Patek Philippe has retained its heritage while embracing innovation, ensuring its continued success and relevance. Today, Patek Philippe watches continue to be coveted symbols of prestige and refinement. The brand's unwavering dedication to tradition, precision, and excellence has earned it a place of unparalleled distinction in the horological world. As we delve deeper into the creation process of Patek Philippe watches, we invite you to witness firsthand the legacy that has shaped this extraordinary brand. From design to craftsmanship, each timepiece bears the hallmark of a heritage built on passion, innovation, and an unwavering commitment to the pursuit of horological perfection. Patek Philippe watches are renowned for their timeless and iconic designs, each crafted with meticulous attention to detail. The brand's commitment to design excellence is evident in every aspect of their timepieces. Patek Philippe's design team consists of talented artisans and watchmakers who blend artistic vision with technical expertise. They strive to create watches that not only tell time, but also reflect the wearer's personality and style. The design process begins with extensive research and inspiration from various sources, including art, architecture, and nature. Patek Philippe's designers draw upon these influences to craft unique and captivating watch designs that stand the test of time. One of the defining characteristics of Patek Philippe watches is their understated elegance. The brand embraces a classic and refined aesthetic, favoring clean lines, balanced proportions, and harmonious color palettes. This timeless approach ensures that Patek Philippe watches remain stylish and relevant for generations. In addition to aesthetics, functionality plays a vital role in Patek Philippe's designs. The brand has a rich history of pioneering complications and innovative features. From intricate chronographs to perpetual calendars, each complication is seamlessly integrated into the overall design, enhancing the watch's functionality without compromising its elegance. The process of creating a Patek Philippe watch begins with crafting the watch case. Skilled artisans meticulously shape the case using state-of-the-art machinery and traditional techniques. The raw material, whether it's stainless steel, gold, or platinum, is carefully worked and polished to achieve a flawless finish. The case is then inspected for quality and precision, ensuring that it meets the exacting standards of Patek Philippe. The heart of every Patek Philippe watch lies in its movement. The intricate process of creating a movement is a testament to the brand's dedication to precision and innovation. Expert watchmakers meticulously design and assemble the tiny components that make up the movement, including gears, springs, and balance wheels. Each component is carefully crafted and adjusted to ensure optimal performance. The movement is then tested rigorously for accuracy and reliability, a process that can take weeks or even months to complete. This meticulous attention to detail and precision is what sets Patek Philippe movements apart. The dials and hands of Patek Philippe watches are true works of art. Talented artisans apply their skills and craftsmanship to create dials that are visually stunning and meticulously detailed. Whether it's hand-painted motifs, enamel work, or intricate guilloche patterns, each dial is a testament to the artistry involved. The hands, carefully shaped and polished, are then added to the dial. The combination of the dial and hands ensures optimal legibility and adds a touch of elegance to the watch. Once the case, movement, dial, and hands are ready, the intricate process of assembly begins. Expert watchmakers delicately fit each component together, ensuring that they function harmoniously. The assembled watch undergoes rigorous testing and quality control measures to ensure that it meets the stringent standards of Patek Philippe. Various tests, including accuracy, water resistance, and power reserve, are conducted to guarantee the watch's performance. This meticulous attention to detail and exhaustive testing ensures that every Patek Philippe timepiece is a testament to the brand's commitment to excellence. The final refinements elevate each Patek Philippe watch to a true masterpiece. Skilled craftsmen add intricate details, such as engraving and hand decoration, that enhance the aesthetic appeal of the watch. These finishing touches are done with utmost precision and artistry, adding a unique and personal touch to each timepiece. It is in these final moments that the watch truly comes to life, embodying the spirit of Patek Philippe's unwavering commitment to craftsmanship and artistry. Through these meticulous steps of case production, movement creation, dial and hands, assembly and testing, and the finishing touches, Patek Philippe watches are brought to life, combining exceptional materials, precision engineering, and exquisite artistry. The result is a timepiece that reflects the legacy, craftsmanship, and timeless elegance that define Patek Philippe. Quality assurance is a cornerstone of Patek Philippe's manufacturing process. Every watch undergoes stringent quality control measures to ensure it meets the brand's exacting standards. Expert watchmakers meticulously inspect each component, verifying its precision and functionality. The assembled watch then undergoes a series of tests, including accuracy, water resistance, and power reserve, to guarantee its performance. Furthermore, Patek Philippe watches often carry prestigious certifications, such as the Geneva Seal or the Patek Philippe Seal, which signify the watch's exceptional quality and craftsmanship. These certifications are a testament to Patek Philippe's unwavering commitment to producing timepieces of the highest caliber. Patek Philippe watches are renowned for their exclusivity and commanding prices that reflect their exceptional craftsmanship, limited production, and enduring value. The pricing of Patek Philippe timepieces often exceeds the reach of the average consumer. These luxury watches are crafted with the finest materials, meticulously assembled by skilled artisans, and undergo rigorous testing to ensure their precision and quality. Additionally, Patek Philippe's commitment to limited production adds to their rarity and exclusivity. The brand deliberately restricts the number of watches produced each year, creating a sense of desirability and collectability. This limited supply, coupled with high demand from avid watch collectors and enthusiasts, contributes to the elevated pricing and rarity of Patek Philippe watches. Owning a Patek Philippe watch is not merely owning a timepiece, it's owning a piece of horological history and timeless elegance. The investment value of Patek Philippe watches has proven to appreciate over time, making them sought-after assets in the world of luxury timepieces. In conclusion, the creation of a Patek Philippe watch is a testament to the brand's unwavering commitment to craftsmanship, precision, and timeless elegance. From the meticulous selection of materials to the intricate manufacturing process, each timepiece embodies the legacy and artistry that have made Patek Philippe an icon in the world of luxury watches. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey into the world of Patek Philippe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. Until next time, keep appreciating the art of time.